zesty, crispy, and delicious air fried lemon and herb chicken thighs. This right here is amazing. Let's get into the recipe. So you are going to begin with 4 bone-in chicken thighs. I did clean them, trimmed any excess fat. We're drizzling a little bit of oil, some soy sauce, some lemon juice. We have some fresh rosemary and thyme, as well as parsley, as well as my favorite seasoning blend. Everything will be listed on the screen and in the description box for you to reference to. You want to get everything here together, give it a nice little mix and massage. You can marinate these for a couple of hours in the refrigerator, but if you got to get them straight in your air fryer, that is not a problem. Still will be delicious. We're gonna load them in and let them go at 350 degrees skin side up for about, let's say, 15 minutes. I let it go for 18 minutes and almost forgot about it. So they got a little bit more crispier than I wanted to, but that's not a big deal. They still came out juicy and delicious. This right here came out so amazing. You can serve this with veggies, rice. The options are endless. I can't wait for you to give this one a try. It was out of this world. Thank you all for watching. I will see you all on the next one. Deuces.